Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for the US session yesterday, which was Tuesday the 6th of September. So we said if we gained acceptance below 39.40 to 39.47, we can see an inventory correction towards 39.18 to 39.24. Main support today was at 39.02 to 39.10, and if you saw a sustained break below there, we should focus on sells only. So let's go and have a look at the action yesterday on the S&P. Okay, so you can see we actually gained acceptance below this 39.40 to 39.47 zone at the open here, and we quickly saw that inventory correction back towards 39.18 to 24. So there was a little bit of a signal here on the S&P on the opening candle. That's potentially an opportunity to get short for targeting there. The main support today we said was at 39.02 to 39.10. We need to see sustained breaks below there. We should focus on sales only. Now notice we did get acceptance below this zone here, but notice it got choppy. We got a strong push back and we got the impulsive push back through that zone. So we didn't get the sustained break. The sustained break is when we get this impulsive push through, get a corrective pullback, and then we see the reversal or the continuation pattern from that area. So we've got the impulsive push back through. Actually, later on you can see there was actually quite a nice signal here. This may be a little bit risky because we are counter trend on the market at the moment. So this is a valid trade which took us up into this zone here, but it was a little bit valid. And the rest of the session really was a little bit choppy. Not really anything that you would have wanted to be getting involved in. The having got that initial push down below that zone, held the main support with a false break. You wanted to see that sustained break below that support really to see the push down. And again here, notice we never actually got that sustained break. We got the push down. It was very, very sort of choppy action. I mean, there is a little bit of a continuation pattern here, but we hadn't even taken out these lows from before. We'd put in higher lows, so this wouldn't have been a valid trade, having seen the action before as well. So not a lot there to do on the S&P, but hopefully the zones would have kept you safe. Let's go now have a look at the Dow. So on the Dow, we said that support came in at 31.19 to 31.240, and below there we should focus on sales towards 307.60 to 30800. We said initial resistance was at 31.550 to 31.600. So let's go and have a look at the Dow yesterday. Okay, so you can see on the Dow we never got up into that initial resistance zone 31.550 to 600. So really the only thing that we was looking for from the reports was sustained breaks below this 31.190 to 31.240 to target lower. Again, a bit like the S&P, we got that really strong push down. We did actually have a reversal pattern here, but it didn't actually trigger. That could have been a valid signal. Again, probably a little bit dangerous considering it is counter trend at the moment. We got the acceptance below, held this little minor support zone here, got the pullback. I mean, again, there is actually a little bit of a continuation pattern here, which would have triggered in. This would have been a losing trade, and then we got the impulsive push back through, a bit like we did on the S&P. Got the pullback here, and then we just chopped around a little bit. We then got the push down. Notice how this one, it just made pretty much a double bottom on the Dow Jones, so it made a bit more of an impulsive push through. The S&P wasn't quite as impulsive. We then got a corrective pullback and then got another potential sustained break signal here. Got a push down, pull back, and a short there. So if you're taking this first continuation pattern, this would have been a loser. This second one, although a little bit aggressive because we hadn't pushed down, this was a much more impulsive move in the S&P, so a more valid signal, and then this one worked quite nicely. So a couple of opportunities there on the Dow. All in all, nothing super high probability, nothing to really write home about, but a couple of trades there to take advantage of, and hopefully you manage to do that. So please let me know what you think of the reports. Please come join the Keyzone Traders community. The link is in the box on our YouTube channel below. Also come subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get to be part of the great Keyzone Traders growing community. Hope you're having a great week, and I will speak to you again soon. Cheers.